911, what's your emergency?
Hi, my neighbors are yelling. I believe somebody broke into their home. There's a lot of things breaking, and you can hear a lot of loud bangs. They're like yelling pretty loud.
Start with the address, okay?
You just told me someone with a knife that broke in the window.
Nobody has a weapon. I don't know what it is. Look like he has something in his hand. Hello? Yes?
Yes. Hello?
Yes. There's a person, it's dark. They broke into my friend's house. Look like he has something in his hand.
What does he have in his hand? What does he have in his hand?
It looked like a knife. Look like a knife.
He's not right here.
LA County Sheriff's Department.
He's got scissors?
He's got scissors in here. Hey, drop everything in your hand. Drop everything in your hand. He's at the door right now with scissors in his hand.
He's got scissors in his hand.
Drop everything in your hand now.
Check out. Watch out.
Hey, girl, he's got a thing at the door. Scissors in his hand.
You can see your leg.
Well, not before. You went to the other door.
What's that on at?
Which door is he at?
He was at this one, but I think he's walking towards the front.
Okay.
The LA County Sheriff's Department. If you're inside the house, come out with your hands down now. If you're inside Los Flores Boulevard, come out with your hands down now.
Right? And it's this window off to the left, correct?
Yeah. 140. You saying all your scissors in right?
Yeah.
Yeah, scissors in town? So scissors. Okay, we're ready to go.
Over. Screaming. He's grabbing her. Get in. He's grabbing her. Take it. Hey, 998. Flores.
Come on.
Hey, grab her feet. Hey, someone.
Come on. Come here.
He's grabbing her. Get in.
Get in. Go. In. Go.
He's grabbing her.
Sheriff's Department. Get out. scissors for me!